sewer line inspection is for 3728 Ocean View Street in Los Angeles, near the Santa Monica Airport. We're going to go and inspect the sewer line through this 4-inch AVS cleanout access located on the, we're going to call this the far right side of the house, in between, or right next to the gas connector, on the back of the house. Looks like this line is going to be making a turn towards the backyard, and what we see here is water just at the bottom of the pipe. So inside the clean out, before it turns into the line, looks like the line is has a low spot. As you can see, there's water standing here with debris in it. There is a chance this line is shifted down, and then we come out of the water, but then water it's sitting at the bottom of the pipe. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to go as far as we can. We want to inspect the connection into the public sewer, and then we're gonna start doing our findings on the way back. Okay, at 75 feet, we have the tie-in into the public easement. It's located at the back of the property. There's light road intrusion at the connection, and it looks like it connects into a concrete pipe between the properties. And the lateral serving this property is a 4-inch clay pipe, and it looks like it has a sewer liner installed. You can see the green color, a little bit wrinkled sleeve.
You seen the newest one? Oh my gosh, you like need to have whatever fence or anything around it, or you have the ones on your
Okay, so this is where the lateral starts, and this is where the line drops. We're now in the 4-inch plastic pipe. It's a little bit of a low spot just before the turn. We're looking for defects, problems, roots, cracks, anything that can cause this line to fail. So where the line looks like it's working, we flushed a few times the toilets, and looks like the water is going in and through all the other areas where the water is settling, and that's because there's a low spot. So this line is not the original. This is a new replacement pipe. I was told this project from 2002. So it is the 4-inch plastic pipe replacing the original 4-inch clay pipe. The original pipe should have been clay. Okay, so we have a slight upset here, and that's the reason why there's wipes or tissue getting cut up in there. It's like just a installation defect in here. It's at 25 feet. Okay, here's where we're gonna enter that low spot. It's just past the cleanup. So here we go, completely underwater. Then we're gonna come up. And we're out. Okay, this concludes our video inspection.